Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Uphala bafethu bekhuluma laphana ne-Audio Africa le channel yabo le abayisebenzelayo rabona ukuba ama-guest khona athi i-Kaizer Chiefs beyidinga iplayer elifana noSipho Mbuli. In fact beyidinga uSipho Mbuli straight. Sikhumbule ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs beyine-chance ukuthi imsayine uSipho Mbuli, but they decided otherwise because they were offered uSipho Mbuli ukuthi imsayineni. Nawo amagama kaThuso Phala bafethu straight uthi khona nje amanye ama-player a-gifted and futhi ayathandwa. Uthi-ke lona uSipho Mbuli uthandwa ama-player abantu ama-fans we-Sundowns, ama-fans we-Kaizer Chiefs, ama-fans nje wawo wonke ama-team. Uthi wonke umuntu uyamthanda. Uthi it's not just nje ukumthanda nje kuphela. It's not like ukuthi futhi ukora amagoli laphana ku-Orlando Pirates, but-ke uyathandwa lo muntu lo. Uthi because me khona laphana uSipho Mbuli uyabona ukuthi ama-teammates wakhe laphana une-impact, kusho ukuthi bajabule abantu, uletha leyo nto leyo nje, uyakwazi ukukhonektha nama-teammates. I think uzama ukuchaza leyo nto leyo ukuthi there's a sense of ease mekhona laphana uSipho Mbuli, even nakuBafana Bafana, that's what we are seeing. Kuhlekwa njalo, uyabona ukuthi uyakwazi ukujela nama-teammates wakhe kahle, abajabulise in a way. Iplayer ngempela elingaletha ukuthi ama-player akwazi ukubumbana bafowethu, hayi ukuthi umuntu acabangele yedwa afuna ukuba i-hero yedwa, no. So nawo amagama kalokhu njana kaPhala uyaqhubeka lana bafowethu, uthi-ke uthi une-aura, kune-aura around yena uSipho Mbuli. So uthi-ke ufila ngathi i-Kaizer Chiefs or ama-fans we-Kaizer Chiefs bona bebafuna umuntu ofana noSipho, ufana nale player leli, umuntu me-around uyabona ukuthi i-team noma ingenzi kahle, but-ke on the field on the field makukhona yena kungenzeka noma ngabe yini. Uthi because une-arrogance, une-confidence, he can get the best out of ama-teammates wakhe laphana overall. Uthi-ke laphana ku-Chiefs into abayidingayo laphana, kuthiwa-ke uthi bekazoba mkhulu laphana ku-Chiefs, kusho ukuthi abe iplayer eline-impact. Uthi ngoba i-Orlando Pirates iyakwazi ukuwina ama-games without uSipho Mbuli. Uthi e-Chiefs-ke bekazodlala every game. Uthi-ke bona beyi-Kaizer Chiefs bebamdinga ngempela uSipho Mbuli. Angazi bafowethu ukuthi ngicabangani ngala magama lawa kaPhala, but i-Kaizer Chiefs-ke already isayinile, siyazi ukuthi isayine ama-midfielders laphana, uNdlovu ukhona, baningi, uMaboy ukhona. So I mean bakhona abantu ababasayinile ngempela. Those people are expected ukuthi ba-change izinto laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs because overall basayine abantu abayi-11 ukuthi bazame ngempela ukusiza i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi i-push. UThuso Phala uke wadlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs, so uya-understand-a ilokhu njani i-culture ye-Kaizer Chiefs overall, nanokuthi mhlampe kufuneka iplayer elinjani laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs yayithola i-chance ukuthi imsayine. I remember uMike, i-agent lakaSipho Mbuli, lithi uSipho Mbuli uyi-free agent, baqeda uku-offera i-Kaizer, he has been offered to i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi enze kahle laphana overall, or i-Kaizer Chiefs ithathe i-opportunity yokuthi imsayine, but Kaizer Chiefs rejected leyo opportunity. I mean obviously Kaizer Chiefs i-brand bafowethu, maybe they look at their brand babona ukuthi no, at that time maybe babonile ukuthi uSipho Mbuli akafithi ku-structure sabo, because bekumele babuilde i-team esolid, i-team as-strong in a way, ekuzoba ne-understanding, nanokuthi banama-youngsters amaningi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Already nawo ama-youngsters uyabona ukuthi ikhanda liyashisa, abalaleli isikhathi esiningi, bachithelana izandla egrawundini, baphoze zonke lezo zinto lezo. Kune-element of frustration more babukele, especially mabangenzi kahle. Uyabona ukuthi baleka nje izinto ezincane ukuthi babe yi-core team, otherwise-ke bazokwazi ukulwelana-ke lapho, and be willing to die for your teammates inside the field of play and make sure ukuthi i-team ithola ama-results. So izinto nje ey'ncane ezilekayo ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bayalungise. Yeah, but-ke it's a big statement ukuthi bebadinga uSipho Mbuli, because they do have ama-player, they do have quality, like they have quality and depth bafowethu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but nje something is missing. We're not inside, so we'll never know ngempela ukuthi bona badecide kanjani, ingani badecide ukungamsayini ulokhu njana uSipho Mbuli. uSipho Mbuli siyazi ukuthi technically is good, is a good protector of the ball. Mina ngisasho yabona mangimbukele namanje, I don't think he has reached lo full potential yakhe ne-fitness level yakhe ukuthi at the peak, no. There's something eshodayo kakhulu laphana kuSipho Mbuli. Makangayithola le engine yakhe, bengibukele noSifiso Myeni laphana akhuluma ukuthi lo muntu lo wangenzela, wangibonisa ey'bukwayo laphana ejimini, because you don't press, because he's intelligent, he's skillful, uyakwazi ukusiza i-team nje overall, nanokuthi uyakwazi uku-embarrass ama-players wakhe laphana ejimini. But yeah, i-Kaizer Chiefs ifisela inhlanhla, badinga i-hard work, badinga wonke umuntu ozoba i-hard work laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. At times uSipho Mbuli is not giving you everything when you're watching, but siyazi ukuthi uyi-player njengoba bengishilo ukuthi super talented, but ithalente akumelanga phela lihambe lodwa bafethu, kumele lihambe ne-hard work ukuthi okay, uyadlala umfowethu, uyaphusha. Ayena i-star, yabona singakudebate okunye kodwa angeke sikudebate ukuthi umfowethu i-star. He's one of the biggest stars ku-South African football, but he can always get better and greater bafethu, akwazi ukushape laphana ku-Orlando Pirates, akwazi ukuphusha ngempela ukuthi i-team yakhe ithole ama-results. But yeah, the beauty of ibhola hayi ukuthi izinto zizohamba the way thina sifuna ngakhona. So uPhala, even okay, akusuwuPhala kuphela, even no-Junior Khanye ukuwa-mention ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs beyimdinga kakhulu umuntu ofana nolona noSipho Mbuli ozokwazi ukuholda igame, a-dictate i-tempo of the game, akwazi uku-add something, a different dimension laphana ku-team, because they really need different dimensions, like different skill sets laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, abantu abazokwazi ngempela ukuyifayithela i-team bayilwele ukuthi ithole ama-results. But they do have a team engacompete, so kulele kubo ukuthi bona beyi-Kaizer Chiefs bafuna ukudlalisa ama-players kanjani, nama-player bona ezama-player bafuna ukurepresenta i-team kangakanani and to grind ama-results kangakanani. So it's very, very, very important for them to get ama-win. Singakhohlwa ukuthi already banabo-coach abasha, but akusiwo coach abasha, ama-assistant coaches awu-2 kuthiwe azoqhubeka a-coach-e isizini yonke bafethu. So sibafisela inhlanhla, banayo i-traditional head coach, bazoqhubeka. Angazi ukuthi into e-right noma into engekho right bafethu ukuthi baqhubeke nabo-assistant coach awu-2, awazi ukuthi ubani i-leader, kunikwa lo, kunikwa lo, kunikwa lo. So you're not sure ngempela ukuthi ubani ozoba ku-press conference, kudlala i-merry-go-round laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, bayashintshisana. But mhlawumbe i-management they sat down with the technical team, babona ukuthi mhlawumbe i-technical team ingakwazi ngempela ukubasiza, so they decided to keep ama-assistant coaches walaphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. So kulele kubo ukuthi bazokwazi ukuba in sync nama-players, bakwazi ukudeliver ama-results. I mean, they've played really well in terms of creating opportunities, but conversion bafowethu ushaya phakathi ibhola, yinkinga of the problem. Hayi, asibambeni lana kwamanje bafethu. Do you think uSipho Mbuli bedeserve i-Kaizer Chiefs beyimnida more than Orlando Pirates? Because Pirates nokuhlala ebhenchini angene late. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.